Come on, people, it's time for rocking and roll class. Let's go where no other man has stepped before. The classroom. This is another English cultural note for you. And the topic of this week is something my students always ask me about. This is called pronunciation. Yeah, that's right. The English pronunciation is something very, very important if you want to have a good communication. Just a curiosity for you. We have here 26 letters in the alphabet. As you know, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, A, and continue. But there's something that you should know. We have also 40 different sounds. Yes, look at these symbols. They are very, very different, and that's why many students feel a little bit confused. But something you have to pay attention. We are going to study now a particular sound that causes lots of problems. It's the PH sound. Yeah, represented by the Greek letter theta. So this is the symbol of PH. And this is a different sound. And to reproduce it, you have to put your tongue like that. Observe here and do it. Come on, observe. Now you, do in your house. No, it's not correct. Observe. Now it's okay. Now let's train some words. Repeat here with me. Say here. Birthday. Repeat. Okay, it's getting better. Now say this one for me. Thanks. You? Yeah, great, but observe here. Thanks. Thanks. Take care, don't say thanks. Thanks is only for the war. That's really dangerous. Take care. See here. Thumb. 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 Right. Now one more here. See here. Thing. Thing. Nice. This is good. Yeah, not a thing. It's thing. Yeah. It's getting good. It's getting good. Now, see here. Throw. Throw. Yeah, not to throw. No, this is Caipira English. The correct is throw. Yeah, it's good. Good. See here. Author. Author. Yeah, like J.K. Rowling is my favorite author. Yeah, or many people say that George Armado is my favorite author. And who is your favorite author? Yeah, it's a nice person. I like it. Now, say here. Healthy. Repeat. Healthy. Yeah, potatoes are healthy. Let me see here. Oh, I like chocolate, but I don't think chocolate is very healthy. It depends on the situation. Vegetables are very healthy, but I prefer chocolate, I confess. Here. 3. One more time. Yeah, but pay attention. You say 3. Repeat. Yeah. Now repeat this for me. See here. 3. Free. Trees in the street. One more time. 3 free trees in the street. Yeah. Now speak this very fast. 3 free trees in the street. Is no. 3 free trees in the street. 3 free trees in the street. You. Yeah, kind of. Yeah, 3 árvores livres na rua, 3 free trees in the street. Very beautiful, poetical, and ecological. That's quite right. See here. Thumb. Okay. Well, I wanna conclude this with another game here. See here. Sopa de cebola com salsa. Now, just in Portuguese. Se você tem aquele parente que fala com a língua presa e fala assim, ó, não, tira sarro dele, que ele tá fazendo um som bem melhor que você tá tentando fazer agora. Mas você pode com certeza superá-lo, fazendo sopa de cebola com salsa. Yeah, have to keep training. Vai ter que ir treinando. Or you never speak like that. Ou vocês nunca vão conseguir fazer esse som corretamente. Ok? Don't forget. Well, if you want to get more curiosities, I recommend this website here. Esse site tem vários links para poder treinar a pronúncia. Então, fica aqui a dica para vocês. So, thank you very much for your presence. Okay? Well, take care. Hope to see you next week. Okay? Bye.